ISO 9001-2015 Lead Auditor Training CQI/IRC Certified Course July to December 2026 batches training schedule URGS International. Hello everyone, welcome to another professional training session from URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. If your organization is striving for operational excellence, improved customer satisfaction, stronger process control, and international recognition, then ISO 9001-2015 is one of the most valuable management system standards you can implement. Today's session focuses on ISO 9001-2015 Lead Auditor Training, a course designed to help professionals understand quality management systems, conduct first, second, and third party audits, and contribute to continual improvement within organizations. Whether you are a quality manager, internal auditor, production manager, process engineer, operational executive, consultant, or aspiring lead auditor, this training provides practical knowledge and auditing competence that organizations around the world seek. Why quality matters? Every organization aims to deliver consistent products and services, improve customer satisfaction, reduce defects and waste, enhance operational efficiency, meet statutory and regulatory requirements, build confidence among customers and stakeholders. Without an effective management system, organizations often experience process variation, customer complaints, rework, delivery delays, increased operational costs, supplier quality issues. ISO 9001-2015 provides a structured framework to address these challenges by adopting a process approach, risk-based thinking, and control improvement. What is ISO 9001-2015? ISO 9001-2015 is the world's most widely adopted quality management system standard. It can be implemented by manufacturing industries, engineering companies, IT organizations, hospitals, educational institutions, construction companies, government departments, logistic providers, food industries, laboratories, service organizations, startups, large multinational corporations. The standard is based on several quality management principles, including customer focus, leadership, engagement of people, process approach, improvement, evidence-based decision making, and relationship management. Benefits of ISO 9001 certification. Organizations implementing ISO 9001 can achieve improved customer confidence, better process control, reduced operational costs, fewer customer complaints, stronger supplier management, improved employee awareness, higher productivity, better documentation, international market acceptance, increased business opportunities. Many customers now require suppliers to have certified quality management systems before awarding contracts. What does a lead auditor do? A lead auditor plans, conducts reports, and follows up management system audits. Responsibilities include planning audit programs, preparing audit checklists, conducting opening meetings, interviewing employees, reviewing documented information, collecting objective evidence, identifying non-conformities, preparing audit reports, conducting closing meetings, verifying corrective actions. Lead auditor plays a key role in helping organizations improve their management systems. Now, course coverage. During this training, participants learn ISO 9001-2015 requirements, Annex SL structure, context of the organization, leadership, planning, support, operation, performance evaluation, improvement, risk-based thinking, process approach, audit principles, audit planning, audit execution, audit reporting. Non-conformity writing, corrective action verification, ISO 19011 auditing guidelines, practical audit case studies, group exercises, role plays, examination preparation. The course combines theory with practical auditing exercises to build confidence in real audit situations. Industries that benefit. Professionals from a wide range of sectors can apply the knowledge gained, including automotive, aerospace, steel, power, renewable energy, pharmaceuticals, food processing, medical devices, oil and gas, EPC projects, construction, chemical industries, information technology, healthcare, education, logistics, government organizations. Training schedule. Our virtual batches are scheduled as follows. Mode online training timing 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time, 8 hours class for 5 days, 40 hours training. So July batch, July 2026, we have 2 batches. Batch 1 4, 5, 10, 11 and 12. Batch 2 24 to 28. August month we have 2 batches. Batch 1 1, 2, 7, 8, 9 weekend batch, and batch 2 27 to 31. September month similarly, batch 1 weekend 5, 6, 12, 13 and 14. Batch 2 26 to 30. October month, batch 1 2 to 6. Batch 2 24, 25, 30, 31 and 1. Continuous 5 days straight batches. Then November month, batch 1 this is weekend batch 6, 7, 13, 14 and 15, and batch 2 is 26 to 30. This is 5 days straight batch. And December month we have 3 batches. Batch 1 3 to 7, batch 2 12, 13, 19, 20 and 21, and batch 3 25 to 29. Why choose URGS International? At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we are committed to delivering practical, industry-focused training that equips professionals with the skills needed to conduct effective audits and drive control improvement. Our programs emphasize practical case studies, interactive learning, experienced trainers, industry-oriented examples, professional guidance throughout the learning journey. Now at last, closing and call to action. Thank you for watching. If you are ready to enhance your auditing skills and advance your career in quality management, join one of our upcoming ISO 9001-2015 lead auditor training batches. Register today. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 59 45 8455. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more professional training, certification, inspection and management system content. Professionals from all over the world can join this online training program, which is provided through MS Team or Zoom. Please contact us through WhatsApp for registration. Our mobile number or WhatsApp number is +91 73 59 45 8455. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. Please message on WhatsApp to us. Thank you.